We have 4 Discovery Centres around Wales where we bring visiting children from local schools, and then they have the opportunity to study some of our activities here, hand-on practical activities.
We're in this wonderful environment every day. They're all engaging and stimulating, but based around real life situations within the business, but they're also linked to the curriculum, and they're encouraging problem solving and decision making and life skills basically in all the sessions too.
A typical day is children arrive about 10 o'clock and there's 2 activities planned. So the first one, say, might be a tour of the sewage treatment works. Or in the afternoon, perhaps they might go pond dipping or to orienteering. Or our best lesson is the African village, and that is a fantastic opportunity for children to realise where their water comes from and how lucky they are that they only have to walk a few seconds to get water, whereas kids in other countries may have to walk 4 miles to get water.
I think my favourite part about the job is the wow moment when children find things in the river, like a stonefly nymph, or in the pond like a dragonfly nymph, and they can't wait to tell you what a good day they've had when they're going back on the bus.